All right, this might be the most overachieving cutting board that you've ever seen out there. Because wait, it's not just a cutting board, it's actually a cooler. So it's a cutting board, it's a cooler, and it's a pretty deep cooler. So if you need to put your cans in here, fill it with ice, it also comes with a drain so you can drain the ice right there. Isn't that cool? So not only is it a cutting board, a cooler, but it also comes with this lid where you can just keep your food stored in here. So if you wanted to keep it warm right off the grill, you can actually do that. Just slap some tin foil in there in the bottom, put your food in there so your burgers, your brats, whatever you have will not only stay warm, but they'll also stay protected from the flies, the pests, all that stuff out there when you're backyard barbecuing. Isn't that cool? I've always wanted one of these, and I thought, you know, as a full-time RVer, space is at the top of the list, right? You have to have areas that can compact, store really easily, and have multifunction. So I'm always on the lookout for things like this that have multiple functions, and you can actually use them really well. So not only is this a cutting board and a prep surface for your next barbecue, but it's also a cooler with ice and cans. Isn't that awesome? So if you're like me and love gear that does more than one thing, very versatile, a cutting board, a cooler, and keeps all the pests away, I mean, that's a plus in my book.